Good day, sir. In this discussion, we will take a deep dive into the world of designer drugs, what they are, why they are created, and the serious risk they pose. So, designer drugs are synthetic substances that are chemically engineered to imitate the effects of known illegal drugs. These substances are intentionally altered in ways that allow them to bypass legal regulations, which is why they are often marketed as legal highs or sold under innocent sounding labels. However, despite their seemingly legal status, designer drugs can be far more dangerous than their illegal counterparts due to the unpredictable of their effects. So we will explore these substances in more depth and focus on a specific designer drug, mephedrone, to understand its nature, uses, and risk. So before we will proceed, I will first discuss what is a designer drug. At its core, a designer drug is a synthetic substance that's been chemically altered from an existing illegal drug. By making minor changes to the drug structure, manufacturers created a new substance that isn't yet classified as illegal. This allows them to sell it in shops or online, often under harmless sounding names like bath salts, herbal incense, or even plant food. But don't let the name fool you. These are potent drugs designed to have the same or even stronger effects as the substances they are mimicking, like ecstasy or cocaine.
What's the purpose of creating designer drugs? The main reason for creating designer drugs is to skirt the law. By changing just enough of the drug's chemical makeup, manufacturers can technically avoid legal restrictions, at least until government catch up and ban them. But there are other motives too. First is recreational use. People often turn to designer drugs thinking they are safer of legal alternative to street drugs. They want the same high but without the risk of getting into legal trouble. Second is increased potency. In some cases, designer drugs are even more potent than the drugs they imitate. This might sound appealing to all users looking for a stronger high, but it also raises the risk of overdose and severe side effects. Third is avoidance of drug testing. Some designer drugs are specifically designed to evade standard drug tests. This makes them attractive to individuals who are subject to regular testing, like athletes or professionals in certain industries. Fourth is profit. For manufacturers, it's also about making money. Designer drugs are often cheap to produce in large quantities, and as long as they remain technically legal, they can be sold openly online or in head shops.
Now, I will give a specific drug example or a designer drug which is mephedrone or 4-MMC. To illustrate the dangers of designer drugs, let's look at a specific example. Mephedrone, also known as 4-MMC or Meow Meow, it's a synthetic stimulant that was once legal and marketed as a party drug, before being classified as illegal in many places. But despite the legal changes, its effects and risk remain the same. What is mephedrone? Mephedrone is a synthetic drug designed to act like stimulants such as MDMA, ecstasy, or amphetamines. It was first introduced as a legal high in early 20s. sold under misleading labels like plant food or bats. What is the nature of methadone? So, the nature of methadone comes in powder or pill form, and it can be swallowed, snorted, or even injected. The drug stimulates the brain, causing the release of chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which trigger feelings of euphoria, energy, and sociability.
Effects of methadone. So first is short-term effects. Users often feel a rush of euphoria, heightened energy, and an increased sense of connection with others. This makes it popular at parties or clubs, where people are looking to stay awake, alert, and social for long periods. Physical effects. But it's not all fun and games. Methadone speeds up the heart, raises blood pressure, and can cause intense sweating, nausea, or headaches. Some users also experience agitation, paranoia, or even confusion during the high. Second is the negative side effects. At higher doses, methadone can cause extreme anxiety, paranoia, and even hallucination. Some users report violent or erratic behavior. The strain it puts on the heart and nervous system can lead to dangerous outcomes such as seizures, strokes, or heart attacks. Third is the long-term effects. Addiction, like many stimulants, methadone is highly addictive. Over time, users develop a tolerance, meaning they need more and more of drug to feel the same effects. This leads to dependence and withdrawal symptoms like depression, anxiety, and exhaustion.
The next long-term effects is the mental health issues. Chronic use of methadone can take a serious toll on mental health, leading to long-term issues such as persistent anxiety, paranoia, and severe mood swings. Lastly is physical health. Long-term use can also lead to significant physical health problems, including damage to heart, liver, and kidneys. Overdosing is a real danger, especially as users increase their dosage to chase the same high. So, in conclusion to this topic, designer drugs like methadone may seem like a legal or safe alternative, but the reality is much more dangerous. These synthetic drugs are created to bypass laws, but they carry serious risks both physically and mentally. From intense short-term effects like euphoria and paranoia to long-term issues such as addictions and organ damage, the consequences can be devastating. The ever-evolving nature of designer drugs makes them unpredictable and hard to regulate, posing significant challenges to public health and safety. While they may offer a temporary escape, the risks far outweigh any perceived benefits.